Welcome to Elevate, the online e-learning platform by EcoFasten's for solar partners. With Elevate, you can easily access information about new product launches, become EcoFasten installer certified, or even learn solar basics to get your installers off the ground and onto the roof. Our online platform is designed to help you advance your career by acquiring the skills and knowledge necessary for installing top-of-the-line rooftop solar racking systems and solar roof attachments. Elevate is more than your average training video library. Our approach to e-learning is unique. Our courses are interactive micro-courses that make learning easy and enjoyable. You'll find everything from solar basics and installation safety to EcoFasten product installation training. Plus, we offer NABCEP accredited recertification courses that provide 1 hour of NABCEP credit upon completion. The best part is that our courses are mobile-friendly, and the platform remembers your progress, allowing you to pick up where you left off at any time. Enroll for free today at elevatelearning.solar and experience the difference for yourself.